Hindi kompleto yung Toycon kung wala kayong haul, no? In our case, meron kaming mga ilan na nabili. So, i-share namin sa inyo isa-isa. So, first one, we got a shirt from Hideaway. So, this is our shirt given to us by Distort. Ayan yung iconic character niya. Gusto ko yung ganyan, yung nakasquat siya, tapos kita yung puwet niya, yung butt crack pa yun, no? Kinis ba ng puwet, pre? Ayan, yan yung shirt from Hideaway Headquarters. Maraming salamat, Boss Migs. Meron rin tayong nabili na mystery artwork ba? And bubuksan na natin to and see. Ito pala, pwede na pala dito. Ayan. Sino kaya to? Oh, we got, pre, kilala mo? Scene 2, pre. Si Jade. We got a sketch from Jade. We got this from Moon. Meron siyang binigay na storybook, no, in print. So, it tells the story of her character. Tapos may binigay rin siyang isa pang art pad, I think. So, tingnan natin to. Parang alam ko meron rin tong artwork sa loob, no? Tapos, we actually made a pre-order for her, yung ganito na half body lang siya. So, this is in collaboration with Boss Biggs, Winnie P. and Vince, no? So, ito yung figure niya. Diba? Cute kamukha ni Boss Biggs, pero ang cute. Tapos may kamukha rin ni BBG, diba? We got this blind box. We purchased this from Pollyanna. So, possible palang makuha nyo itong 4, plus may isang chase ba yan? Chase, ito siya. So, may accessory pa siyang flower. And we also have this one from Sir Jed Madela. Ang maganda kasi dito, pati yung box niya, custom made, resin ata to, I think. Then, if you open this, nandun yung character niya, si Voodoo. Ayan o, close look. Tapos, para ma-display natin siya, we place it here. Wow! Ito yung highlight na nabili namin na toy. This is from JPK, an artist from UK. It's a resin figure, I think. Ito siya o. Bang! Ang ganda o. Diba? Yung figure na to, it's called Goshi. Tapos, ang maganda kasi kay JPK is the way he paints the details dun sa figure. Diba? So, parang siyang 2D, diba, pre? Pero, ang ganda, ang linis, ang pulido nung paint. Even yung sa face, no? It's really attractive. Another one from JPK. Ganda. Oh. Diba? The same form, still Goshi. Pero, difference yan, yung striking dito for us is yung details niya sa mukha. May mga characters maliit, even dun sa arms niya.